And we're back. Hall here with another Hall of Code lesson. Let's dive right in. We're going to look at font basics, where we're going to look at font weight and font style, and also font size. Font weight property sets how thick or thin characters and text should be displayed. And you have normal text, bold text. You also can define text with numbers, 400 being the normal, 700 being bold. You can go even bolder up to 900. Font style property is mostly used to define italic text. And then font size is defined either in pixels or in EM. And 1 EM equals 16 pixels. 16 pixels is the default size. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like in a browser. Okay, here I have an HTML document with some text in there. We have a heading, H1 heading, CSS font basics, and then we have 3 paragraph classes underneath font weight. And one is going to be defined with light text, normal text, bold text. And then we have another comment, font style examples, and we'll go italic and normal. And then we have a third comment here for font sizes, and we'll give you about 3 different sizes here. Okay, I've already styled the body, giving it some padding of 30 pixels. And I've also changed the color of the H1 and added a little bit of margin to the bottom of the H1. Okay, let's go ahead and change the font weight of a couple of these different paragraphs. Light text. Okay. We'll go normal. And bold. So as you can see, we have bold text at 700, normal text of 400, and light text is a slight lighter color. What if I changed it to 900? It's kind of hard to see. Let's change our font and see if that makes a difference. So now we see a lighter font. We go back to 700, and we have a bold text. If I wanted to maybe make this bold, and then let's go bolder here. All right, so now we have a light, normal. Well, we have a light, bold, and bolder. So we'll go bolder. And we'll go bold, and we'll keep that as light. All right, so now you can see how the text looks. And here we go, font style. Italic text. And we'll go font style. Italic. Now you see that text here is italic. And we can go normal style. Normal. And that doesn't do anything. This is not italic. Okay. And now let's change the sizes. We'll go small text. 14 pixels. And as you can see, this is a little bit smaller text here. And I'm going to just copy and paste. We'll go medium. And let's go 20 pixels. Instead of 18, we'll go 20. And then for the last one here, we're going to go large. Oh, we already have it here. We'll go large. And this time we're going to go 36 pixels. Look how big that is. We can also go font size and go to EM. Now EM is 16 pixels, so 2EM will be 32 pixels. So 32, and so I changed that to 32 instead of 36, because 16 times 2 equals 32. All right, so now we have EM. So you can also use EM. A lot of times you will see EM as opposed to pixels when it comes to font size.